Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to take control of your finances and start saving money? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing some budgeting tips for beginners. Tip number 1. Track your expenses. It's important to know where your money is going each month. Keep a record of all your expenses, from rent and bills to groceries and entertainment. There are plenty of apps available that can help you with this. Find one that works for you and use it regularly. Tip number 2. Cut back on unnecessary spending. Take a look at your expenses and see where you can make cuts. Do you really need that daily latte from the coffee shop? Making small changes can add up to big savings over time. Tip number 3. Create a budget. Use the information you've gathered from tracking your expenses and set a realistic budget for each category. Stick to your budget as best you can, but remember to be flexible if unexpected expenses come up. Tip number 4. Prioritize saving. Make sure you're setting aside money each month for emergencies and future goals. Consider opening a high-yield savings account to earn more interest on your money. Tip number 5. Seek help if you need it. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about how to manage your finances, don't be afraid to reach out to a professional. Remember, budgeting takes time and practice. But with these tips, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.